Does that look like a Dalek's eye stalk? I decided I couldn't print it in one piece, so I've had to do it in individual items. For those of you who didn't see the previous video, I picked this guy up at the recycling centre. Had to do some repair work to him. Some of the wires had dropped off inside. He is radio controlled. He goes forwards and backwards, turns left and right, and he also says things. Yes, he says seek, locate, destroy. Anyway, his iPod, eye stalk, was broken. That's all that we got, just that little bit there. So I thought I'd see if I could 3D print something. There will be Doctor Who purists who will complain this won't be exactly right. I just looked at some pictures and designed what I thought should be about right. So you have the eye on the end, you have a stalk, and then you have some fins or veins, or whatever you want to call them, about halfway along. So that's what those are. As usual, I would have printed them all just too tight. I can never get it right. Let's see if we got the right size to go in the hole. Right, that'll do. That's good. Possibly too long. Don't know. But I'll have to open all the holes out a little bit so that will fit in there. I'll do that and we'll be back. So there we are. A little bit of gentle trimming with the needle files. I think the end module, whatever you want to call it, is actually black. So I could probably just go over that with a felt tip pen or something. Depends which ones you look at. I mean, I just did a search on Google for Dalek eye stalk and got a few pictures. And worked from there. I judged the length of it to be about the same length as that one and shorter than that one. These are made of some sort of flexible plastic, as you can see. And that was the same sort of plastic. But I haven't got any of that. So we'll have to make do with that. There we are. A little bit of black felt tip pen, because that soaks into the PLA anyway. Probably the wrong length, but better than having none at all. Just found I'd got this guy tucked away in my stock. He's got the eye, but he's missing the sink plunger and the ray gun, or whatever we call it. But he's a bristlebot or a hex bug type thing. I just thought he was fun, so I thought I'd show him on the end of this video. Yeah, it just vibrates and the brushes drive him forwards. In the video description is my playlist for Doctor Who related items. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.